All right, so boom, you got Logic opened up. You got a bunch of tracks. You done made your little whoop-de-whoop of a song.
Let's go.
All right, boom. So you feel me? We cooked up a little something quick, right? Something slight. Okay, so what I just pulled up was actually the mixer window. That's kind of what I wanted to bring up today. So me personally, I'm gonna be like completely transparent. Me personally, I usually mainly just work with the tracks view right here in conjunction with our inspector window right here. Being that if let's say I'm working right here on Cake 51, this inspector section right here is controlling this one track right here. But if you're wanting to edit and adjust multiple tracks at the same time, when it comes to volume, depth, effect, whatever the case may be, that's where your mixer window does come in. So if you hit the letter X on your keyboard, it'll pull up this whole window. And here you'll have a horizontal view of all your tracks, all the faders. You have all your audio effects, EQs, your sends and returns. You can group your tracks. You can change the automations on multiple tracks. And yeah, so your mixer view kind of gives you a full control of all of your sounds simultaneously. So imagine like your tracks view with your inspector view above every section. That's the best way I could kind of explain the mixer window for those who aren't too privy. And yeah, I mean, you can view a single track. You can view all your tracks. And that's pretty much the mixer window in a gist. So again, you hit play. So as we can see up top, like our playhead is actually moving with the tracks. So you'll see this lightly highlighted gray track that's equivalent to this track right here. So
Let's go.
with shading this fader, changing the volume of that one, we can mute, we could solo to one track. Again, we can pan. I got this one pan to the left. And then you can also group the tracks, but I'm gonna say that for another video. So this video is really kind of just to show y'all the shortcut to pull up the mixer window and show y'all what it does look like. But outside of that, yeah, hopefully that helps. If that was a shortcut you needed, there you go. And hopefully that improves your workflow from here on out. Again, me personally, I do a lot of my work just kind of going through each track and just maneuvering through the inspector window. But that's just my workflow. That's just my workflow. You don't gotta use my workflow. The mixer window probably would do you more justice if I'm being honest. But yeah, appreciate y'all tapping into this episode and stay tuned for the next.